Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add in the Chinese alternate calendar on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Calendar. Next, tap on Alternate Calendars. And from here, select Chinese as your second calendar or the alternate calendars from the list. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now launch the calendar app and you will notice there will be the main calendar at the top and the Chinese calendar will show below that. And that's it. That is how you can show the Chinese alternate calendar on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.